Okay, we have a Samsung / Smec vertical machining center model PCV 400, serial number 17C9K1057. Machine was new in 2017 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 0i MF control, rigid tapping, side mounted tool changer. Right there was a tool change. It's a CAT 40. Second tool change. It's a 24 tool side mounted ATC. That's your Z axis. You have 20 inches in the Z. You have 16.5 in the Y. And you have 27.5 in the X. The table size is 16.5 by 29.5. And you have a 10,000 RPM CAT 40 spindle. 2,500 RPM. $5,000 RPM. 7,000? 7,000 RPM. It's original paint, the machine. It's here on our floor. There's the coolant system. You have through coolant spindle, coolant through spindle, 25 horsepower. Hey, thank you for watching our video.